and today I'm going to talk to you about a product that has totally changed up my life, especially given the lockdown. And yes, you did guess right. It is the lifelong LLPCW30 rechargeable eyebrow, upper lip and bikini trimmer. I just can't wait to introduce you to it, so let's dive right in. With a run time of about 45 to 60 minutes, this trimmer is just perfect for you to use when you want to get rid of all that excess hair and reveal clear, smooth and glowing skin. With its multi-purpose nature and multiple attachment heads, this one device can be used for you to trim your eyebrows, upper lip as well as bikini. What convenience, right? The best part is that unlike when you use a razor, this guy does not absolutely leave any burns or cuts. It is very smooth on the skin, guys. Trust me on this one. Rechargeable and great to use, especially when you're on the go or in case of a night out emergency. We all have those moments. This guy is perfect because you can just slip him into your bag and use it wherever you'd wish. You never have to visit a salon again, especially not if it's a hair removal problem you're looking for a solution for. I'm truly obsessed with this guy, guys, and I think one use and you will be too. That's it from me in this video, guys. I'll see you in my next one, and until then, stay safe and keep browsing. Bye.